Hey Patrick, this is Jackie Otwell with Maxhouse Marketing. We spoke briefly last week about me shooting you over this little 5-minute custom website audit video of your current profile. I'm saying profile instead of website because I know that you don't have a fully built website. So I'm just you can still incorporate these tips and see where we can go from there. First things first, I'm going to Google HVAC College Station, Texas. This top section up here is the sponsored section, so these people are paying for ads. This begins a Google Map Pack. If you're not part of it, we would add you to it. A lot of times it goes hand in hand with how your website's ranking and how you're ranking on here. A lot of times you also won't rank on here unless you have a website, etc. And then this begins the organic section. So this is where the actual ranking begins. This top one's a directory link. So I just went ahead and chose one of these top ones to compare to throughout the duration of this video. So I'm going to do Barker's Heating and Cooling. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is content. What is content? Content is essentially any of the verbiage or wording throughout your website. We're going to focus specifically on the homepage. So I'm going to go ahead and grab all the content on their homepage, and I am going to place it into a word counter. So they have about 500 words of content on their homepage, and I know that yours isn't fully comparable, but I'll just go ahead and grab this. You have about 71 words. So Google actually recommends us having 1,000 to 2,000 words of content on our homepage. Reason being is that this provides 1,000 to 2,000 opportunities for us to populate in Google searches and to come up and gain that traffic. So that leads me to our second topic, which are keywords. So what are keywords? Keywords are essentially these little phrases that people type into Google. So the logic behind this in the content is you do research and you find out which of these have the highest search volume for that specific service, for that specific area, and you incorporate those keywords into the content on your home page, which is going to bring up your website. So the way we go ahead and take a look at that is I'm going to grab each of your websites and place it into a tool that I use called Ahrefs, which is essentially an online website auditing tool. So I just want you to take a look at this traffic value really quick and the organic keywords, the backlinks, look at these numbers. And I did put your profile in here just to see if it's gaining any traffic, and it's really not. So I just want to go ahead and dive into the keywords for you. So first things first, AC repair, College Station, air conditioning repair, College Station, air conditioning, College Station. So all the ones with locations attached, those are the kind of keywords we're going for. Things that have, for example, geothermal solutions. This doesn't have a location attached. That means it's a nationwide keyword. So it's not really the kind of traffic we want to generate. What this means is that someone in Oregon could essentially Google this and it would possibly populate this website. Is that going to make us money and have us gain a client? No, not unless you plan on hopping on a plane, flying to Oregon, servicing that customer, and flying back. So we want to stick to those ones with the locations attached. Of course, you can add in Bryan and any other cities you want to service. So I'm going to go ahead and look at yours. You have one keyword, which is Dr. Kool College Station. So the issue with this is that the only people who are going to Google this are people who know about you, and we want you to gain more clients, have more customers, new people who don't know about you yet. So the last thing that I'm going to touch on are backlinks. What is a backlink? A backlink is essentially anywhere on the internet where this website is linked. So somewhere throughout the entire internet, this website is linked 637 times. What does that do for us? It's essentially publicity. So that provides 637 new opportunities for us to gain traffic, have eyes on us, etc. So what we'd do is we'd go ahead and create your website and add the same backlinks that they have, put us on an even playing field, and the way you keep that going is you keep building on that month after month after month. That being said, Patrick, I hope this video was informative for you. Of course, feel free to incorporate it yourself onto your profile or however you can. As always, please reach out to me for more information. I would love to help y'all. And I hope to hear from you soon. Have a great day. Bye.